artists, welcome! Today, let's try and review this superior watercolor. This is really cheap for me. This only cost me 400 pesos. So this is how the box looks like. And at the back, it indicates the name of each color in it. Now let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. Looks quite small for 18 colors, don't you think? I think this was made for like a travel size purposes kind of watercolor. Okay, so this is how the inside looks like. So they're all cute and small. So there's like a foam there, and I don't know what it is for, but I'm quite happy that there's this water brush included as a freebie. So I think that's a good thing. Just a closer look, this is how the body of the brush looks like. And let me just put that tip of the brush on the body. And this is how the brush or the tip of the brush looks like. I'm gonna try that later if I will like it, and I'm gonna give you the thoughts, my thoughts about it. But for now, I think it's a pretty sturdy brush, so I think it's gonna be a good brush. Anyway, going back to the palette, I found out that this is, the small colors are actually removable. So I think you can definitely buy refills of this. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, definitely they can be refilled. And just like that, you can just place it again on the case. And now it's time to swatch it. And here I have prepared a watercolor paper with the names of each color that is on our palette. And yeah, this is where we're gonna swatch each color. Now I'm swatching the color white. I know it's kind of funny, but I am doing it. So the way I'm swatching each color is gonna be the first half part of the box. I will color it with less amount of water. Then the second half part of the box will be much more water than the other side. Anyways, I'm done swatching white and it didn't do much. It's not that opaque, so I think that's expected. Now let's proceed to the crimson. While swatching this crimson color, I was really surprised how creamy the watercolor became after I put a little amount of water on it. And as you can see, the colors are really vibrant. For the crimson color, it's really vibrant and it's really opaque for a watercolor. So from this crimson color only, I'm really impressed right now. Now let's try the chrome green, and this is really vibrant and opaque again, and I'm really happy with this watercolor, and it's really cheap, so I think this is really worth it, and I'm quite excited to paint more using this palette. And here's the skin color, and I think this is a very pretty color. Let me fast forward all the swatches of these colors, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks like when it's dry, and I'm gonna tell you my thoughts about it. And here's how it looks like when it dries, and I think they're all pretty colors except for the white, of course. But yeah, for now, I really am thinking that this watercolor palette is really worth it, and it's really good for beginners, I guess. But let's try that on a painting and see how it will look like. I'm just gonna share a portion of the painting that I did. I actually painted Yamato from One Piece, but I'm not gonna share the whole process of it since this is only for review purposes. But I will be sharing the whole process of my Yamato painting on the next video that I'm gonna be uploading. So I hope you watch that, guys. And here's how the painting turned out. Final thoughts. I am really satisfied with this Superior watercolor. And I think it's really good for beginners in watercolor such as me. Therefore, this is 100% recommendable. If there's a word such as that. Anyways, go grab your own palette since this is really worth it, and I think you will really love it as well. Thank you so much for watching again up until the end of this video. Please hit the subscribe button if you want more videos such as this. Don't forget to like and comment anything you want on the comment section below. Bye!